I greet you for the time when I watch the video. For today, I did for Ring Road. For where Obaseki for on Operation Show Your Light for Ring Road down there. So here and then they go Ogbiyoko site for Ekenwa Road. But this very site, so everybody for the main Ring Road for my people when they inside. So I want to show now as the light be so many people they comment on the light. So now I want to so my people are getting now.
The tomatoes, the tentacles. Not the blood. Don't get kerosene blood.
Okay.
The banker and granato oil blood.
Okay. But what about the light? What about the light when they see so?
Not the Oloroba.
Exactly. So Operation Show Your Light. Now they do so.
Nonsense.
Okay.
The naughty head because we not be northerners.
Exactly.
Satan not Edus.
Oh, Edo, Mama, I believe you.
Believe God.
Thank you.
And we obey the spirit.
I believe you, Mama. So I want to shoot on the goal.
Papa, as I see the video me now, go ahead and keep my rating.
Oh my, yeah.
Reach Ezagba.
Exactly.
If you reach Mose Ezagba.
Exactly. Yeah.
Tell us say Joy
Baga. Okay. Exactly.
That is the Jezebel I use.
Oh, Mama. Oh. Made a claro for Mama. Made a claro for you.
Yesterday, you must be free. You must take me.
Oh, there, not be joke. Oh, not be joke. Not be joke. Yeah. But no man, you know what I mean about this light? I the light. Well, you not talking about the light. And Mama. Oh, easy. Why? Exactly. Mama, I believe you. So now Operation Show Your Light. Now we do so. Thank you, Mama. Yeah, hello. Hey. So exactly. Mama, hold on. Now so this one Operation Show Your Light. Oh, I want to show you. Operation Show Your Light. Now we do so for Ring Road. So I see many business they go on here. So we see business, huh? So now Operation Show Your Light with this. Oh, Mama. Mama they say things. So it's light. Everywhere bright. Everywhere bright. So now they show so now Ring Road like this. So now Ring Road like this. So everywhere light. Before here in a darkness. But as the governor on the light everywhere they bright like daytime. Everywhere they shine. Okay. Now so
Obaseki have really tried.
So take the microphone, Mama.
He has really tried, at least for putting on the lights, making us to say at least we don't have shops.
Okay.
And you know our children have to eat.
Exactly.
We have to move on with life.
That's so.
You know, it's not everybody that can afford shop.
Okay.
So that's why we don't like the way we are selling on the walkway.
Exactly.
But at least we come out from the house instead of being, they said, and I do mine is a devil workshop.
Okay, may I show you?
So instead of being, touch my face.
May I show your business? I don't show you. Mama, they talk. I want to show your business.
So, and I do mine is a devil workshop.
Exactly.
So we don't want to be idle.
Oh, yeah,
that's one of the reasons why. That's one of the reasons why we came outside.
Okay.
So Obaseki has tried for the lights.
Okay.
But the only thing that at least it should make it possible for us to always sell at least once it's around 4:30, 4 o'clock.
Okay.
We should always sell because most of the time when we say we should start waiting for 6 o'clock, most of the people that are supposed to buy market, most of them have gone home.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, we will start owing the business people giving us markets.
Exactly.
I'm begging the government, they should all have pity on us.
Okay.
At least we can steal. Or do you want us to start carrying knife?
No.
Because a mother that goes to the market and comes back empty-handed,
yeah,
the child might end up stealing when the mother does not drop food on the table.
Exactly.
So please have mercy on us. Allow us to always sell.
Okay, Mama, I mean, talking about this very light. So.
And the light is very nice. We appreciate it.
Okay.
And if I say I'm not appreciating it, I'm only lying. Exactly. I'm fooling myself.
No, before, not dark.
It's always dark.
So for now, as you open this light for now,
yes.
how are they seeing?
Wow, I feel great. I don't know for others, but I feel great.
Okay.
And I'm happy for that.
Exactly.
You should always maintain the light for us.
So, Mama, I dey come for you. As I dey show the light. No, I dey show light for people. So you dey talk about rice cost, whatever. When you dey talk.
We don't say we do light for us, so. Rice cost, rice now almost 30,000, 40,000 naira. So we don't need light. Go to Ugbioko road. They do digging and pouring for Ugbioko.
Okay.
We don't spoil the road. Okay. So we don't need light. We feel the buy touch. Now the food we can't spoil. Now I say I beg, we need the food.
What is spoil for the food? Tell me.
He can't increase everything. He can't spoil everywhere.
Thank you, Mama. I dey hear you, but now federal government, either one. Now for happen, not be for state governor.
Bag of rice don't show 40,000.
Bag of rice don't
We don't show 40,000.
Are you sure, Mama?
Yes.
Are you sure, Mama?
Yes.
Okay, I thank you. So Mama said bag of rice also to 40,000. So here now they show.
This light we see do now, no worry. December now we want use our show. Before next year you say you go just see get fault.
Mama, are you sure?
Yes.
No.
Every today.
No, now from Ossiomo Power Plant we dey come here so.
Oga, not be today. We know them. Yes.
Okay, Mama. So I thank you for that. So Mama, what it also we go come there.
I bet when I come ring go
Ugbioko. Okay. So I don't dey go inside the Mama dey complain say na Ugbioko road then they talk about. So may I dey show you the operation, show your light. When the governor don't light so nowadays, so many business they go on. So now so and they go inside. You see tomatoes everywhere they come and they show the light. That light when they go on and they show so and they come from that side, you know can tell me the delivery show.
Yeah. We want make food cheap, but we can see food chop.
Okay, now we make food cheap.
Yes.
Now we there after so he say they show he dey sell leaf. I don't call here now. He dey waka dey go that side now. You say
hungry abeg.
okay, Mama, we go come for that one. So now the light so now we dey show so.
We enjoy light. We like how it be like.
Okay, but the lot of say whether they say that to each houses, we are not talking about that one.
Now landlord and landlord, now I go talk that one.
Okay. So now the light so no wahala, everything go dey cheap now. Oh yeah? Exactly, Mama. Okay. Now so are they for Ringo so? So now they go are they so? So operation show right now they so for inside Ring Road, say everywhere they light. So now they show for now, so everywhere they light. Who like I would comment? Mama, how you see the light so? Okay, how when I see the light everywhere shine wanna. So when they show now, see business will go on here. Before everywhere dark, no business. Una na account una take dey sell una property. Abi no be so? So so now operation show your light. So light don show face for Benin. So I want to go. Light don show face for Benin. All business dey go on. We are going to see light. Now like we did too for Ring Road though. No, and they show the light of the way the governor do for Edo State. Operation show light. Now they show so all business will go on. You see, now that one we call Ikiaro. When we did we call Ikiaro. So now pressure show light. So before now here na darkness. All business will go on here. Slide they go on. So everywhere before now darkness. So my people will allow come for the light where our later. So now the light where government comment, so now they comment put so where light up for people. See all a light, all street light. Everywhere I light for Benin where government don't do so see light. All the show face. All the show face. See light. These are the comments. So we see different business for Edo State. So so see this there. Now we call a motor. You see a motor, so you see how business we go on. Before here in a darkness, so we dey show the light for people. We dey show the light for people. You see everywhere a light for Edo State, where governor don shoot for her. Not be like I want you everywhere calm more or less calm. I see light everywhere for ring road. So na ring road I dey so see light. Everywhere a light. Everywhere a light. See all business will go on. Everywhere I like for ring roads. So that's what they say. This one operation show your light for ring road. Operation show your light for ring road. Una dey enjoy now, my brother. How you see the light? Oh my brother, how you see the light, my brother? How you see it?
It's very dry.
Okay. Now so, but before here na darkness.
Yeah, na darkness.
But as you see light now, how you see the atmosphere?
Yeah.
Okay.
They say Obaseki no dey work. Obaseki dey chop money.
Yeah.
So Obaseki made a shame. The light for inside town everywhere dry.
Okay.
Now he even promise say he want to repair Obioko for us.
Obioko. Okay. You say
He go make everybody dey shame.
Okay. Now so my brother, hello, you don't see the light. Every now operation show your light for ring road. Now they show so. Everywhere bright. So now so we do so. Then I show arrange museum before I take una off. Now operation show your light we did so for ring road. Everywhere bright. From here to palace, all on a light. So now here be run about so for museum. So everywhere they shine. Everywhere they shine. So now here we did so. Now here be operation show your light. So we don't see now here reach. So another day I'll say continue. My people I thank you for another one to watch the video. That is showing everywhere. So operator show your light for ring road. So I thank you for the time when you watch this video. So I